Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make your very own iPhone case with a 3D printer. I made this at my school and it finished printing after 25 hours, I think. No, wait, 6 hours, I mean. 6 hours, and I picked it up today. And yeah, I made my YouTube channel on it. It's my YouTube channel case, my merch. The camera's a little, I might smoothly cut this out so it shows. Then I already cut this part out, and I'll probably continue to cut this out. So yeah, I made this case easily, and I'll show you how you can do it. Looks like an Apple case also. Pretty nice. So yeah, I'll show you right now. Okay, the way I made the case was pretty simple. Just download the Apple app Fusion 360, Autodesk, make an account, membership. But I would recommend you get this on the computer because it's more easier on the computer than the iPad. And why doesn't it want to load? I'm not even connected to the internet. I'm connected to my Google Home. Why am I not connected to that? Okay, now log in. And then my projects are in admin, iPhone X case. And this is before printing. I got the measurements of an iPhone X like this. If you flip it over, there's an actual iPhone X inside the case. I measured it and then I used all the shapes, and then I did it like that. And then I sent it to the printer and I just printed it out. On the computer, it's going to be a lot easier because here, I don't think you can do much with this. You can just draw. I would recommend you use the computer. The iPad is good if you want to preview the case. And yeah, if you have any questions, comment them down below and I'll answer them. And we had to, for the lettering, we had to print them downwards. So these were inside the case instead of 3D because it couldn't print like that. And yeah, that's it. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. Let's get to 3,000 subscribers by the end of summer. And yeah, peace out.